students may be starting their topic in second part of the topics and the subtopic characteristics in the cell. Characteristics of the cell means first one is prescriptions. That means it is our awareness and understanding the elements and functions of our environment through the physical sensations of our various senses. That means the prescription is our awareness for understanding the elements and the objects for entering the various senses. That proximity, similarity, matching pattern, summary, closure, and unity. Proximity means what we are going to see the object that belongs to the near to the space. Then similarity means it belongs to the sharing common visual property, colors, size, shape, and etc. Matching patterns means it responds the similar to the same shape in different sizes. Then summary means we see an object as having some perfect or simple shape. Closure means our prescription is synthetic. It establishes meaningful goals. If something does not quite use itself, unity means the objects that form the closed shapes are perceived as a group. Then continuity, balance, expansions, and context. The next one is memory. First one we have seen as perceptions. Second one, memory. Memory means it will short-term memory. Limit will be in the field as then knowledge, experience, and familiarity grow with the size and complexities. Then short memory lasts will be 15 to 30 seconds. Then long-term memory is thought to be unlimited. Human active vocabulary, so that is a 2000 to 3000 words will be in human active vocabulary. The human power of recognition is much greater than our powerful of recall. Visual acuity, the capacity of the eye to resolve details is called visual acuity. That means what are the things we are going to see that the capacity of the eye to resolve details is called visual acuity. Visual acuity has a distance from 2.5 degree from the point of eye fixations. Then assume that the average viewing distance of a display screen is 19 inches. The size of the area of the screen also will be 1.67 inches. This is the visual acuity. Then foveal and peripheral visions. That means foveal vision is used to focus directly on something. If you are going to see any document or any images, that means it will directly focus it. Then peripheral vision means it senses that anything in any surrounding area we are looking forward. Then it provides clues to where the eye should go next. Where the eyes should go next. Then foveal and peripheral vision have a cooperative and competitive natures. Then sensory storage. That means it is a buffer where automatic processing of information are collected from our senses takes place. Then information processing. In information processing, we are having higher level and lower level. Higher level will be the slow or sequential. Lower level will be the speed parallel base. Mental model. Mental model is simply and internal representations of the persons. What the correct thing what we are going to be understanding. That is, it will be simple and internal representation for each person. Then, as a result of our experience, culture will develop mental model of things and people. Already we have said that a mental model is a simply an internal representation of persons for understanding something. Likewise, our experiences, culture will develop mental model of things and people. Then learning. Learning means the prescriptions of having To learn a lot of information is enough to keep the people from using the system. While interacting with the systems, already we are saying that human computer interaction. That means user will interact with the computer. That communication that we have seen like that. For learning, descriptions of having to learn lot of information through by keeping the people using system. Then people prefer to be active, explore and to use a trial or error approach. Then individual differences. Individual differences means tailor applications to the specific needs of people, varying and changing the learning process for skill level. Based on the skill level only, the people will be different and learning process also will be changing by individual differences. Next, skill. Skill means the goal of human performance is to perform skillfully. Then it accomplished by increasing the mastery of the system through how progressing the learning shortcuts and speed and easier access to the information or data. Then lower order skills to tends to become routine and may drop out of consciousness. Then knowledge or experience. That means computer literacy, system experience, application experience, task experience, education, reading level, and typing skills and native languages. Job or task, that means type of system use, mandatory or discretionary. Then frequency of use, then turnover rate, task importance, task structure, primary turning. Likewise, these are the job or task. Physiological characteristics, that means psychological characteristics means attitude, motivations and conjugate styles. These are the psychological physical characteristics, that is gender, age, handness and physical handicaps. These are all the process for importance for the human characteristics while designing that. Next one is human interaction speed. Now we have learned how the human characteristics is important for designing purpose. Then what are the how we are going to increase the speed? Human interaction speed. That is, human interaction speed is the speed that which people can perform using various communication methods like reading, listening, speaking, keying, and hand printing. In that, average human speed reading means it will be 250 to 300 words per minute. Proofreading text on paper means 200 words. Proofreading text on a monitor means 180 words. Listening, they are 150 to 160 words per minute. Speaking to a computer means 105 words. Then corrections means 25 words. Typewriter, computer, two finger typist. Then hand printing. These are all the average human interaction speed is not accurate, it is average human interaction speeds. Then how the user will be gain based on the speed and how they can understand. Visit customer locations, that is talk with users or direct contact. Observe user working, then videotape user working. Try the job yourself, use surveys, establish the testable behavioral target goals, involve user in the design process, and optimize the preference with the performance. Based on the performance, they will give the preferences. Then optimization is impossible. Implement the features that provides the best performance. These are all the process that a human interaction speeds they have given in average, not accurate. How they are understanding, how they are gaining. Thank you.